Today we're featuring your favorite computer parts. Computer case, a protective housing for computer components and protects and supports internal hardwares. It prevents damage, enables cooling, and it comes in various sizes and styles.
The monitor is an essential part of a computer system. It serves as the primary output device, displaying information visual form. The keyboard is a device used with a computer. It is used to input data into the computer. This can include text, number, and commands.
Mouse. A mouse is a hand device used to control a computer's cursor. It allows users to point, click, and select items on the screen. Printers. Printers serve a diverse range of purposes, transforming digital information into accessible and shareable physical formats across various settings.
A scanner device that is connected to a computer. It is primary function to convert physical documents, image, or object into a digital format.
Speakers and headphones play sounds. Speakers broadcast sound to a room, while headphones deliver sound directly to your ears.
Webcam, a video camera connecting to a computer, captures video and audio for communication, enables video conferencing, and more.
Say a little prayer for you among